I'm a big proponent of using red sand in planting beds. In the Mid-South, we have heavy clay soils, and those heavy clay soils need the drainage improved. And you can add a lot of organic matter to it, which helps a lot, especially we use this chunky pine bark that we put in. But over time, the pine bark's gonna break down, but this sand will not. This is red sand, and in contrast to the white builder's sand, this has multiple size particles. It has fine particles and some particles almost the size of small pea gravel. And so mixing that in the soil improves the drainage of the soil. It's kind of a pain, I realize, for homeowners to get. It's expensive because it has to be hauled in. You can buy it in bags, but make sure you're not getting play sand. Make sure you're getting red sand. And I strongly recommend it for gardens.